In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony WH-XB910N to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily use your Sony headphones wirelessly on any iPhone model. You will be able to listen to everything, so all of the audio on video, games, and apps. You can also connect it to any other device by following these same general steps as long as Bluetooth is supported. So this connection is going to be done over Bluetooth. So to start, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. On an iPhone, you just head over to the settings and then you will find the Bluetooth category. It's as simple as taking the option on. Once it is enabled, you will be good to go. And of course, you can do the same on any other device. So in this example here, I have a MacBook. Just go over to the Bluetooth category inside of the settings and then enable it. Once Bluetooth has been enabled, you need to make sure that the headphones appear under the list of available devices. To put it into pairing mode so it appears, you will need to press and hold the power button. Usually, the first time that you power it on, it should automatically go into pairing mode, but if it doesn't, hold this button down for around 5 seconds. You will see this LED indicator flash, and that tells you that it is now in pairing mode for Bluetooth. So if you look under the list of available devices, you will be able to find your Sony headphones. And like I mentioned, you can do this with any device that supports Bluetooth. Just tap on your headphones on the list or choose the connect option and they will be instantly connected. It's as simple as choosing them under the list of available nearby devices and they will remain connected as long as they have sufficient battery. If they run out of battery, they will automatically disconnect themselves and then you will be able to charge, and the next time that you power them on, they will automatically connect themselves to the device. So you will only have to establish the connection manually once and they will remain connected in the future. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-XB910N to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.